Hey everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. Today we are diving into something super exciting for all Scratch learners and educators. Here we are going to discuss about the Raise Playground in Scratch. In this video, I will be explaining everything you need to know about this powerful tool. You will get to know what is Raise Playground, why it was created, how it will work inside the Scratch, what's benefit, what is limitation and restriction with this tool, and how you can use it to improve your coding. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends for more fun Scratch games and tutorial. So let's go! Now first we are going to discuss about what is Raise Playground actually. What is Raise Playground? Raise means Responsible AI for Social Empowerment and Education. This is specially designed for our young learners to provide a special interactive space inside the Scratch that will help the students to practice their coding skills in the guided step by step and the gamified way. It provides the kids friendly environment with the advanced AI features. This will really helpful for the kids to know about the AI in the gamified way. So definitely it's a very interactive and a beautiful platform specially designed for the kids to improve their coding skills and learn about AI in fun way. This platform is designed by MIT Media Lab with its collaboration of MIT Raise Initiative. This platform integrates AI inside the Scratch. Scratch is a block programming platform which helps young learners to understand the coding in the block pattern. But here it is like cherry on the cake to understand AI as well with this block programming, right? So definitely this platform is very helpful for kids to learn about some AI tools in Scratch by making beautiful games and animation. Okay, now the next thing we are going to discuss about the purpose of Raise. As I told you, this platform is specially designed for our young learners and also help the educators to introduce the AI in their school education. So it will help to introduce AI literacy to the student. It helps to enable hands-on experiments because as the Scratch we know we have multiple number of extensions. This helps us to understand different type of tools, but here by the using Raise Playground in Scratch you will get more extensions. By the help of these extensions we can use AI tools in prompt way to improve their knowledge regarding AI, how they can use it, how they can control the learning space, text-based instructions, practice challenges, so many things with the help of using this Raise Playground in Scratch. So definitely it helps the student to learn faster and stay motivated. Now the next we are going to discuss about how we can use Raise Playground in Scratch. So you can see this is the link I have mentioned here. You can use it, and just once you open that link you will get the option of Open Playground. By the click on Open Playground, directly you go to the Raise Playground in Scratch screen. Do you want to see how it will work? Okay, like here you can use that link as well, or directly you can type Raise Playground in Scratch. Okay, now I just click enter and you can see this is the first option and this is the link. You can click on that. I just open it in new tab. So this is our Raise Playground. Here this is the home page. If you want to get the more information you can click on about and you can get complete information about the Raise Playground over here. And the next you can get to know the term and conditions. If you want to know the policies of the Raise Playground you can go through it. And now we are going to open our Raise Playground in Scratch. So go to home and here scroll down. you can see there is an option Open Playground. Just click on it. And now you can see this is our raised playground in Scratch. Here you can see it's completely looks same as the Scratch 3.0 platform look like, right? You can see all the options, coding, costume, sound, everything is same. But if you will see its extension, there are more extensions available in Raise Playground as compared to the Scratch 3.0. Like you can see, there are some options like text classifier, teachable machine, tables, selfie detector, and also hand sensing, face sensing, body sensing. These kind of extensions are available in Raise Playground, which is not available in Scratch 3.0. So this is the main benefit we have while we use this Raise Playground in Scratch. So now you have seen how we can open Raise Playground in Scratch. Now further, we are going to discuss about the key features of Raise Playground. As the one important feature I have already told you, it has many extensions which is not available in Scratch 3.0. As you have already seen such extensions, you can create so many different kind of AI projects with the help of Raise platform in Scratch. Like image classification blocks is available here. Also sound or voice recognition features is also included in that. Text processing extension is also available, and also as a part of machine learning there is AI prediction blocks are also available. So with the help of that you can create numerous number of projects by using this AI prediction blocks. By the help of such projects, kids get the knowledge about the machine learning, how friendly they can use the AI tools, and how these tools are really helpful for everyone these days. So especially this platform, it's a very unique platform to give the knowledge about AI tool and how they can handle the AI tool in such a young age. So these are the main key features of the Raise Playground. Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of Raise AI tools. Okay, first, it's really simplify the AI learning for kids because of its simple block programming turns to handle and use the AI tools in a very easy way. So that's why kids can easily handle the tool and they can easily understand how we can use it for their learning and also learn about the benefits of these AI tools. These tools it really enhances the problem solving skills in kids. They understand the situations and then afterwards they analyze the problem and then they are able to find out the exact solution, and also by learning the new tools it encourage their creativity and connect with the real world AI. This Raise platform as specially designed for the kids. That is why this tool provides safe curated data models. It means the AI tools inside these platforms use carefully selected and safe datasets. That data is filtered and checked so the student can use AI safely, avoid any harmful and inappropriate information, and learn into the control environment. So definitely this model, as per the kids, it's very safe to use. So we can say it's really a classroom friendly AI model for all the young learners. And also no need for complex coding language. Here it's simple like scratch block programming. Definitely we need to drag and drop. We no need to run any advanced programming language like Java, Python and C++. Nothing. With the help of this drag and drop, we can understand AI and programming concept very easily. This is specially designed for the beginners or non-technical users to build their AI powered projects in a fun and creative way without worrying about any difficult syntax. So definitely it's an amazing tool for those who don't know the programming language but love the coding. Now the next thing, with these many benefits, there are some restrictions and limitations with this Raise Playground in Scratch. First of all, when we are using Scratch, we can download it, and whenever we create any game or animation without the internet connection, it will work. But here you must have active internet connection to use AI blocks. So definitely you should open this platform on Google. You can make your game, you can make your animation, you can create different AI powered projects. But here you must have internet connection. You can download it, but it will work only when your system having good internet connection. Otherwise it will not work. Next thing, there are some features are maybe limited by region. According to country, there is a possibility the AI features may vary. It's not exactly same in all over the world. And next thing, it is not suitable for advanced AI model, like if we're talking about a neural programming language or deep learning. Such kind of AI models are not using in this race playground in Scratch. But for the kids, there is many kids friendly AI tools which help them to build their AI powered projects. And one more thing, data upload may have restriction for safety purpose actually. Like I personally not suggest you will upload any personal pictures or your personal data on this platform. It's not that much safe. That is why if you will upload any personal data or some inappropriate data in this platform, so automatically it will restrict to upload such data. So that is why it's called the kids friendly platform. Definitely it's not allowed to upload any kind of inappropriate data on this platform to create any kind of project. Next thing, performance of your AI projects, whatever you have created, it's really depends on your device speed. It means if your device is old or its speed due to heavy memory use, bad internet connection, definitely the performance of your project it affected. So that's why according to your device, if your device is good, your internet connection is good, so definitely your project will work very fine. Otherwise there is a possibility your project speed might be down just because of your device is not working in that much speed or your internet connection is not that much good. So these are the major restrictions we have. First of all, it depends on internet. Definitely this not using some kind of advanced AI modeling like neural programming language or deep learning. But there are some features which really helpful for the kids to learn it and become handy about the AI tools. Data uploading restrictions are there definitely for our safety, for our kids' safety. So that should be there, and also performance is based on the device. Now the next thing is we are going to discuss about the use cases and the project idea. Definitely it's the advanced model of Scratch. In Scratch we can create different type of stories, so many kind of games and animations. But as I already told you, it's like a cherry on the top. So definitely here we can create AI powered games, multiple projects. I will show you how many type of different extensions we can use by using this race playground in Scratch and create number of projects. And definitely in the further video I will show you how we can create the different kind of projects by using these AI extensions present in race playground in Scratch. So there is option of image based learning projects you can create, voice control applications you can create, AI storyline boards, or also stamp based multiple kind of the projects which is mainly boost up your knowledge about STEM and make you more comfortable with the computer science, because here in very young age you are able to understand the AI tools coding without using any difficult syntax. Instead of that, by just drag and drop you can learn AI tools which boost up your confidence, your problem solving skills, and definitely make you understand the current technology nowadays which we using. I will show you the different extensions which we can use in the race, and in the further video we will use these extensions to make our AI powered projects. So you can see here there are multiple extensions. For example, if I'll open this teachable machine, here you can see these number of blocks are available on teachable machines. Here you can create your model, your teachable machine sites. Here you can create your projects, whatever the new projects you want to create, you can create over here. You can take the URL, then afterwards you can paste your URL over here, and then you can create own AI powered projects. So these are the different kind of blocks we have. Simply we need to drag and drop, just we understand the problem, and then according to that we just analyze the situation, and on the basis of that we can create our own AI powered project and enjoy the learning in advanced manner. So this is the one extension. Now you can see there are multiple extensions which is not available in Scratch 3.0. So it's really helpful for our young learners to improve their knowledge as per the current demand. Definitely, it's a very good platform to learn the AI tools in an easy way. So this is all about the Race Playground in Scratch. In the further session, we will going to create different AI projects by using Race Playground in Scratch. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends who love the Scratch coding. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye bye.